Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make hibiscus flower face cream. So for this face cream, first I'm taking a bunch of fresh hibiscus flowers. This is fresh flowers from my garden. Hibiscus contains naturally occurring acids which help to purify your skin. It controls acne. It has astringent and anti-inflammatory properties that help to treat redness and inflammation from eczema and other skin conditions. So if you don't have fresh flowers, you can also use some dry flowers. For the first, I'm going to remove the stalk, all the pollens from the flowers, and I'm going to take one big plate, and it should be clean. The plate should be clean, and I'm going to separate the petals from the flower, and then spread it out on the plate. So hibiscus can be used for your hair also. It is very good for your skin. It helps to give your skin a youthful look. Here I have taken one flower and I am removing all the petals and spreading out evenly. At least you need 4 to 5 flowers for this face cream. So this also increases skin elasticity. It reduces aging process, and it is good in antioxidants which helps to fight free radicals. So now next I am going to place this not in the sun but in a shade. At least for one day I have to dry the petals. So this is how it looks after it has dried. All the moisture, the water content of the petals have evaporated, but still it looks soft. It is soft. So this is what I want. I want all the juices of the flower and the natural oils of the flower. It should be there. That is why I have not dried it fully. So next I am taking one clean mixer jar. I am putting all the petals in that, and I am going to use my favorite oil, that is Johnson's baby oil. You can use any oil which suits your face, like almond oil or olive oil. I am going to take 1 teaspoon of this oil and put it in the mixer grinder along with the petals. Next I am going to grind this into smooth paste. This is how it looks after you have made a paste of it. You need at least 1 teaspoon of this hibiscus oil. Now next I am transferring it to a bowl, and then I'll add one more teaspoon of the same oil. You can use vitamin E oil also if it suits your skin. Next, in a double boiler method, I am going to heat this so that I get my hibiscus oil. You can also keep it in microwave for 2 minutes if you have. Now once the paste is heated, you put a little pressure to the paste of the leaves so that it releases all its juices into the oil. Next I am taking one more bowl, a clean bowl, and I'll place a clean cloth over that. You can take one clean kerchief also, and then I'll put all the paste into that. And I'm going to squeeze off all the hibiscus oil into the bowl. I need at least 1 teaspoon of this oil. All the natural oils of the hibiscus and the face oil, baby oil, is ready to use in the cream. So next I am adding few strands of saffron. Saffron gives a good color to the cream. Mix the saffron thoroughly in the oil so that it gives some slight pink color. Saffron is very good for your skin also. It gives a brightening and whitening look to your skin. Next I am using aloe vera gel. This is the brand I am using. You can use any brand whichever you find is comfortable for you. At least 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel I need. And then I'm going to mix everything thoroughly. Aloe vera gel is very good for your skin. It has moisturizing effect. It reduces acne also. Keep your skin soft and supple. Next I'm going to transfer everything in a small clean jar, and I can store it for at least 1 month. Then I'm going to take a very small quantity and apply it on my skin. on the face and give a slight massage for 2 minutes until all the cream is absorbed by the skin. It gives very glowing look to your skin. It makes your skin very smooth, soft and supple. You can apply it in the night or in the day. This is very good for your skin. Even mature skin people can also use it. So you can make this cream, store it for 1 month. Because there is no water content, you can keep it outside also, not in the refrigerator, but always use clean spoon. So if you want to know more such DIYs, homemade creams, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share.